Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice grain spawn. Start by selecting your rice. Brown rice is often preferred for its nutritional value. Rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starches that can cause clumping. Next, soak the rice in water for approximately 12 to 24 hours. This crucial step ensures the grains are fully hydrated, preventing them from bursting during sterilization and promoting healthy mycelial growth. After soaking, boil the rice for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's al dente, meaning it's firm but not mushy. Overcooking can lead to burst grains, which are prone to contamination. Immediately drain the rice using a fine mesh colander. Then, spread the grains thinly on a clean, sterile surface, like a baking sheet, to air dry for 1 to 2 hours. This ensures the exterior is dry while the interior remains hydrated. Once the grains are dry to the touch, fill your heat-resistant jars, such as quart-sized mason jars, about 2/3 full. Leave sufficient headspace for shaking. Secure the jar openings with filter lids or foil covered with a filter patch to allow gas exchange while preventing contamination. Sterilize these jars in a pressure cooker at 15 pounds per square inch for 90 minutes. This high-pressure, high-temperature process eliminates all competing microorganisms. After the jars cool completely, inoculate them in a sterile environment, like a still air box or flow hood, using a liquid culture or spore syringe. Inject about 2 to 3 milliliters of solution per quart jar. Gently shake the jars to evenly distribute the inoculum. Place the inoculated jars in a dark, warm place, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for incubation. Mycelial colonization typically takes 2 to 4 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.